Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Miho Chuno. Code SAME082. Released on November 7, 2023. And it has 140 minutes watch time. The story is about mother and her daughter instructor. After her husband and her parents passed away, the girl has been living with her daughter. Apparently, her daughter instructor had a secret feeling towards the girl. So when the old guy knew that her husband passed away, the old guy didn't waste the opportunity. So the next day, the old guy went to her house. So when they are alone at home, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.